Today in this video, I will show how to copy table from Microsoft Word to PowerPoint for Mac and Windows PC or laptop. So open your Microsoft Word, copy your table. So select it, right click and copy it. Open PowerPoint. I'm using Windows, but method is same for Mac OS. Now delete, and you can keep them also. Now click on this paste down arrow. Here you will see some options like use destination style, keep source formatting, embed, and you can see all preview for all options, picture, and keep text only. So select as your requirement. You can move and change the size like this. So thanks for watching. Share, like, and subscribe this channel.